Fine Tune English presents Medicinal Plants of Ecuador.
Chamomile. The botanical name is Matricaria chamomile. Matricaria is derived from the Latin word for womb, because of this affinity for women's conditions. Other names include common chamomile, Aragon chamomile, and grand apple. Chamomile history begins in ancient Egypt. The Egyptians dedicated the earth to the sun and worshipped it above other earths for its healing properties. On the other hand, Roman chamomile is native to Western Europe and North Africa, and German chamomile is native to Europe and Northwest Asia. According to some scientists, this plant is not native to Americas, but was introduced and planted by colonists. It's a perennial herb with attractive flowers, which are the most useful part, especially in teas and poultices. To sum up, chamomile has properties to soothe pain and colds, amongst others. Factories take advantage of technology in order to transform the plant in useful tea bags.
Chamomile. This medicinal plant is used for different cases. For example, to avoid nervous disorders in children and in women during the menstrual cycle, help reduce menstrual cramps. On the other hand, chamomile has a natural salicylic acid that helps in cases of headaches, neuralgia, and migraines. This herb is an excellent anti-inflammatory for eyes and to combat rheumatic and mouth sores. For example, for inflammation and sores in the mouth, you prepare an infusion with a spoonful of chamomile. In a cup of boiling water, leave for 10 minutes and drink. Another use is for health digestion. Boil 10 grams of chamomile, leave 1 liter of water for 10 minutes, and take after each meal.
Chamomile is an aromatic annual herb which grows spontaneously and is abundant in the Mediterranean area. It belongs to the daisy family, and there are 2 varieties of medical and cosmetic purposes. Chamomile grows best in hot summer climates, but can also grow in the cold. When harvesting, should note that there are 2 varieties of chamomile. In the first case, the collection takes place at the end of the season or after the first frost falls, uprooting all the plants before they become yellow. In the second case, perennial varieties must be cut to live 5 to 8 centimeters high. Harvesting takes place when the flowers are full opening, preferably on dry days. Then you need to let it dry and store in sealed glass container.
Chamomile can grow between 30 to 60 centimeters with erect stems forming dense bushes. This plant has sessile leaves. In other words, its leaves are just right in the stems without forming secondary ones. On the other hand, the flower head is no more than 1 centimeter in diameter, and the fruits are about 1 millimeter in diameter as well. Pollination is generally made by butterflies, but the plant is also able to pollinate by itself in some cases. Its medicinal properties include the ability to induce vomiting, to relieve stomach ache, and control digestive problems, amongst others.